this.
Yeah.
Wow! Look, they have two Mickey heads on them.
They do.
Yes.
That's pretty cool. So you could use your nails to nail those two pieces of wood together. Use your nails and your hammer.
Nailed on the cover. But actually, what's them get apart?
Well, you need a nail. You need a nail, and you put the nail in the hole, and then you put that on top of the other piece.
Yeah. Wait, this doesn't work. I did it!
Good job.
Bye-bye. Look, Bobby.
Yeah, I see that.
You did it again.
Good job. Do you want to put on your Mickey goggles?
Mickey goggles.
Your Toodles goggles?
I did. These are Mickey goggles and they have turtles on them. That's okay, Bobby.
What do you think, Xander?
You are feeding Daddy. You're taking a picture of him.
I'm taking a video of him. He's making lots of noise. Do you think he wants to hold a wrench?
No, because he's just a baby.
Oh.
He can't open his hands yet.
No.
Like I do.
Oh.
Oh, he can. I'll show you. Yes, like.
Hey, you just did a little bit. What are you making, Maxie?
I'm not making anything.
Oh.
I'm not making anything with my tool method.
Oh, okay.
This is a saw.
Yeah.
Why are these my turtles? My turtles again. Two turtles is like. I did it. Did I, Bobby?
No. Well, you know what, honey? I'm not sure that's going to go in all the way. The holes aren't lined up.